All right, we should put that exhaust on because I think that is the next hurdle in this project. We ain't out of the woods yet. How am I gonna hold this thing up? I need a hood prop now. Okie dokie. How do we figure this part out? We'll swing it all the way up here. Just for temporary sake. I got an idea. Somebody gifted me an old stack here. What if we... I like it. I'm not a huge fan of the... As cool as that is, I think it'd be better if it was just straight across, honestly. That's my personal preference. But we could attach something like this to the hood, and then that'll open and close with the hood. Yeah, I think we're onto something here, people. Look at that, look at that. Hell yeah. Perfect. Guy could just leave it that low, nice and short and stubby. I don't think it looks bad. I don't think it looks bad at all. Or, hear me out now. We put some bling on this bad boy. You get it? I mean, I'm just talking like a little stack. Like, I thought 7 inches, but even that seems a bit tall now. That wouldn't be too bad. What do we do? You know what we do? We lob 7 inches off of this and stick it on there. Yeah, that's what we do. After I shut the camera off, I did end up tacking the new exhaust on there. I keep stepping away and taking looks at it and seeing what I think. I think it looks like it's probably right where she needs to be. But I just wanted to tack it to make sure we can still open and close that hood, you know, because if we go and weld that all up and we go and finalize it and we can't open the hood or close the hood, that's a big no-no. Screw it up. Can't have that. Okay. Oh, she's close. I think a little trimming on the exhaust itself, and I think we can rectify that problem. But I mean, she opens and closes. What more can a guy ask for? Hell yeah. Now we just gotta figure out how to tie it all together. I don't freaking know what to do. Let's just start doing. Well, how about that? We got it done. It's all one solid piece now. She ain't going nowhere. The hood opens and closes. Let me see if I can do it with one hand on the camera, one hand on the hood. Yep. Open, close, open, close. She's tucked nice and snug up in there, so we shouldn't have any leakage out the bottom. Fingers crossed. And she's locked and loaded and ready to rock. It's freaking awesome. We're rocking it. I probably am gonna come back and fill something in here. This just, I don't know. It looks incomplete to me. I got some expanded steel. Maybe I can fit some expanded steel in there and just kind of like finish this off, maybe? I don't know. What's that? You want me to cage the rest of the motor like I did the front here? No, you don't want me to do that. No. Well, maybe you do. Let me know in the comments. For now, we're gonna leave her alone. We gotta get some of this aged. This doesn't look good, but that's another video. I'm pretty happy with how the hinges came out at the end of it all. I know I talked about making a new piece for this all together, but I wanna see how I like it in real life before I spend the time doing that. So I did just fill this in with weld and grind her down flush and smooth, and it looks semi-okay, not complete terrible. So I think we're gonna rock that for a little while and see how we like it. Do we like these hinges? That's gonna be the question. Until I can get it outside and get further away from it, see it at some shows and laying in the grass and get the full picture, I don't know. I might change my mind on them, but right now I like them. We definitely need to age them somehow though, because they stick out like a sore thumb. To me, they stick out like a sore thumb, and I'd rather them blend in. But now this chrome exhaust stack, we're gonna polish her up and make her look real nice. Now we've got that chrome exhaust tip on there, it's not just trash, it's classy trash. She's gonna be shiny, hopefully, maybe. Probably not. I'll probably forget I even said I was gonna polish that, to be honest with you. But now we're gonna clean up my mess from all the hinges and rebar and exhaust stack work and move on to the next thing. What'll that be? Who knows? Probably something I already did. I'm just gonna redo just for the fun of it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like, comment, hit that subscribe. See you next time.